What's up, everybody? It's your girl, it's Baby 101. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you guys with a very easy beginner friendly makeup tutorial for deep purple eyeshadows for women of color. Super easy, not a lot of colors involved, so let's go ahead and get started. I am going ahead and sculpting my brows. I use a lighter concealer and I set that with a powder so that the lighter colors have something to adhere to. This is a perfect palette. This is actually the Jackie Aina palette in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love the colors in there because it is for deeper skin tone. She did her thing with that. I'm really impressed with it. I haven't even did updated like full in-depth review of it, and I do plan on doing that. If you guys want to see my updated brow routine, let me know, because I don't touch too much into it in this video. But I'm taking the purple and the lighter pink, and I'm going to be sweeping that into my crease. And then once I've done that, I'm going to pack on the purple. Now, how intense you want this to be is completely up to you guys, but I wanted this to pop. As you can see, the color payoff is actually pretty impressive. I didn't have to swipe too many times, but I did want it to be a little deep, so I went in a few times. Now, I took that lighter shimmery purple, which is called Shookington, and I put it into my inner tear duct for a highlight, and then I went back in with another highlight to kind of add to it and give it like a little pizzazz, a little pop. So highlighting and contouring, I really don't get too much into it. If you guys want a video on that, let me know. But I do use two contours. One is deeper than the other. One is more like a bronzer for women of color. And then I go in with my stippling brush and kind of blend that out so that there aren't any harsh lines. But I do want your girl to be kind of snatched, okay? So I am going to be making sure that I sculpt my cheeks. And I'm going to go in under my eyes, and I'm going to add all the colors that I added before. Literally only 3 colors. 3 colors. And you can smoke this out as much as you want to. I put mascara on the top and bottom lash lids, and I'm going to make sure I smoke it out. Now, I am baking, and I don't use a lot of powder to bake. It may look like it, but I don't use a ton of powder to bake. But I do bake, okay? Your girl wasn't going nowhere, but if you're going somewhere, I do suggest you prime. I didn't prime my face or anything like that because I know I wasn't going anywhere. But if I was going somewhere and I needed this stuff to stay, I would have primed my face. So after wiping off all the powder, when I say wipe, I mean brush, I'm going to go back in to make sure that I clean up anything that I may have missed and make sure everything's sharp. Gonna go ahead with my nose contour. Now, the lashes that I have on are from Ardell. I do have on 2 pair of Demi Wispies to give it more of an intense look. And yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. Now, the film got cut, but I did use Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow palette 2, I believe, to put on my cheeks. And then I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Jelly and Missy Lynn's lip gloss, lipstick to put in the middle to give it more of a pizzazz, little pop, little juice for your lips, okay? The best part about this is so easy. You can do it however you want to. You can literally make it as light or as dark as you want to. And if you want to take it to super dark, I would suggest adding a darker brown, not necessarily a black, but a darker brown to kind of deepen it if you'd like that. And there you have it, you guys. Super easy look. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate all the love and support that I've been shown. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.